Morning students. Let us start with the exercise 11.2. Its question number 1 is, in each of the following cases determine the direction cosine of the normal to the plane and the distance from the origin. This is our question number 1. It having 4 parts. First part is z is equal to 2. Second part is x plus y plus z, that is equal to 1. Third part is 2x plus 3y minus z is equal to 5. And fourth part is 5y plus 8 is equal to 0. So let us see students how we will solve its first part, that is z is equal to 2. So we can write it as, this is ox plus oy plus z, that is equal to 2. Name it as number 1 equation students. And the direction ratios of normal, that is equal to 0, 0, 1. Right students? Therefore, if we will find out their magnitude, that is equal to 1 having square, that will come is equal to 1, 1 root is equal to 1. Now divide equation 1 by 1 and we will get it as 0x plus 0y plus z, that is equal to 2. It is in the form of, Lx plus my plus nz, that is equal to d. So students, where L, m and n are direction cosine, right? So therefore, what are the direction cosines now? So the direction cosines are 0, 0, 1 and what is the distance? Distance from origin, this is equal to 2 units. Distance from the origin, that is equal to 2 units. This is your first part students. Let us come with the second part. In the second part, what you will say students, how we will find out it? The question is given that x plus y plus z, that is equal to 1. Again, its direction ratios are 1, 1, 1. And you know students, 1 plus 1 plus 1, their square with the square root, that will come as equal to root 3. Now again, this is number 1. Divide 1 by root 3. So what you will get student, it will come as equal to 1 by root 3x, again 1 by root 3y, this is 1 by root 3z, right students, that is equal to 1 by root 3. So now what you will say? You will say that the direction cosines are, what are the direction cosines? 1 by root 3, comma 1 by root 3, comma 1 by root 3. And students, the distance is, that is the distance from the origin, that is equal to 1 by root 3 units. So this is the base students. I have done two questions, that is the first part and second part of the question number 1. C and D part is same. So try to solve this yourself. Now let us come with the question number 2 students. In the question number 2, find the vector equation of the plane which is at the distance of 7 units from the origin and the normal to the vector, that is given as 3i cap plus 5j cap minus 6k cap. So students, here this n vector that is given to you, that is equal to 3i cap plus 5j cap minus 6k cap, right students? And you know that n unit vector that is given by, the formula is this one, n vector upon magnitude of n vector, that is equal to 3i cap plus 5j cap minus 6k cap upon, this is while we will find out their 3 having square plus 5 square plus into minus 6 its square having square root, so it will come as 3i cap 5j cap plus minus 6k cap upon 6 6 are 36, here 25, that will come as equal to 70 its root. So therefore students, equation of the plane, now we will say that equation of plane with the position vector r is given by, that is equal to r vector with n unit vector, that is equal to d. So what you will say, it will come as r, and here this is 3i cap plus 5j cap minus 6k cap upon 70 its root, that is equal to, what is the distance? In the question the distance is given as equal to 7. This is the required equation students. So this will be the answer of the question number 2. Now let us come with question number 3 students. In the question number 3, this is your question number 3, find the Cartesian equation of the following planes. A part is r vector dot product with I cap plus j cap minus k cap, that is equal to 0. So here student, this r vector, that is equal to x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap, right? Now put this value here, so it will come as x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap, and this is I cap plus j cap minus k cap, this is equal to 2, and while we will multiply them students, this will come as equal to x plus y plus z, that is equal to 2. So this is the first part of question number 3. There are 2 more parts are there, but still both the parts are same students. So try to solve these rest of the 2 parts yourself.